Imagine a vehicle so luxurious, so futuristic, it feels less like an SUV and more like stepping into a private jet that just happens to glide across the road. The Horizon Voyager SUV 2026 doesn't just turn heads, it completely redefines what people expect from a vehicle, blending bold imagination with next-level comfort in a way that feels almost unreal. The brand behind the Horizon Voyager isn't a traditional automaker you'd find in dealerships. Instead, it lives in the world of ultra-luxury concepts and custom-built machines. With an estimated price ranging anywhere from $500,000 to well over $750,000 depending on customization, this is not just a purchase, it's a statement of lifestyle, wealth, and vision. It sits in a category of its own, where exclusivity matters more than mass production. From the outside, the Voyager looks like it was pulled straight out of the future. Its bold, oversized silhouette carries a commanding presence, with sleek LED lighting signatures, sharp aerodynamic lines, and a body that feels both rugged and refined. Every angle is designed to impress, blending SUV toughness with the elegance of a luxury limousine, making it impossible to ignore whether it's parked or cruising down the highway. Step inside, and everything changes. The interior is where the Horizon Voyager truly earns its name. Instead of rows of seats, you're greeted by a fully transformed living space. Plush seating that feels like a high-end lounge, ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood, a fully equipped kitchen, a private sleeping area, and even a spa-like bathroom. It's not just about travel anymore. It's about living, relaxing, and experiencing the journey in complete comfort. Underneath all that luxury, the Voyager is engineered for smooth, effortless movement rather than aggressive speed. The driving experience is calm, almost floating, designed for long-distance cruising with minimal fatigue. Advanced suspension systems absorb every bump, while intelligent driving assistance features handle much of the workload, allowing you to sit back and enjoy the ride more than ever before. Safety and technology go hand in hand here, with cutting-edge systems monitoring everything from road conditions to driver awareness. Smart connectivity, voice-controlled environments, and fully integrated digital systems make the vehicle feel alive, adapting to your needs in real time. Practicality might not be its strongest suit in a traditional sense, but for those who value mobile luxury, it offers unmatched convenience. Your home, your office, and your getaway all in one place. Safety and technology go hand in hand here, with cutting-edge systems monitoring everything from road conditions to driver awareness. Smart connectivity, voice-controlled environments, and fully integrated digital systems make the vehicle feel alive, adapting to your needs in real time. Practicality might not be its strongest suit in a traditional sense, but for those who value mobile luxury, it offers unmatched convenience. Your home, your office, and your getaway all in one place. Of course, it's not without its drawbacks. The massive size can make city driving a challenge, and the price puts it far out of reach for most people. But those are small compromises for what it offers. The Horizon Voyager SUV 2026 is for visionaries, for those who see travel as an experience rather than a task. It stands out because it dares to be different, turning every journey into a story. And for the few who can afford it, that story is nothing short of extraordinary.